Hagani kejingyalang kebelalum do Menteri Rangba Kejela lawan Banishim benta dagihak sarkar nak tenat revenue disaster management bat ka food and civil supplies ha kejingya dan lang ki deputy commissioner jang distrik Boper ya kebelale da ka video conferencing. Ukonrat kongkal sangma ula pentip ula betha iki deputy commissioner ban long ki bapit ngor ha ka bedai ba kejing kala kejing long jingman kesun meneng kamtam ha ka bedai ba kejing ter ulap ba bat kejing selat ke eryong. Uloong ya kejing yalang balapan long ban bishar ha kabedai ba kejing syak penjulor kejing dan jing em kejing do no kejing embrio bat kejing bagi padba ke kendo namar kejing dan chop ki bor kamaryang. Menteri Rangba uloong beletai sani halor kejing ki bagi bor distrik ke kendo ha kabedai bagi lat jingada bat kejing rak ban aish ki padba ki basyakta bat kumno ban penkreak lupa ladadon kejing beteng jong kejing jeruslap bat ke eryong. Menteri Rangba ullo mengene kejing yalang bat ke officer sarkar ni kitnat boper ha ka bedai bat kejing wanan shop ki bor kamaryang.
And in such eventuality, the district administration and the overall departments should be ready to ensure that all the necessary steps and all the relief is given to the people. So with that in mind, we have conducted and we have had a review meeting today. And it was a very positive meeting, and the necessary steps are being taken as we speak to ensure that administration and the officials and the departments are ready to ensure that all the support is given during different situations and heavy floods and heavy winds and cyclones that we may face in the coming days and coming weeks and months.